guys, welcome back to my channel. Nikki here, and in today's video I'm going to be going over my 15 paychecks that I got from dividends this month. You already know the drill, let's get it.
Ooh, big bag. You not talking money, you can miss me with the chit chat. I'm not with the rah-rah or the
You guys, I'm a little bit behind, but at least I'm going to be getting up a video this week because let me tell you, shit's been busy for you, girl, okay? As you can see, we are in the office space, okay? We're in the crib, the new crib. Although, I will say we're a little bit bare, but that's my vision board, so. We got goals, we got dreams, we gonna crush it. And I also wanna give one quick disclaimer because I'm actually not gonna be able to pull up my spreadsheet like I do in these videos in this one. It's just, you know what, it is what it is. I can't get it done, okay? I can't do it. But if you're new and you don't know what the spreadsheet is, go back to my last dividend paycheck video. It's in there, you can see it. It'll be in my next one, so you might as well subscribe because you will definitely see it in upcoming videos because you guys, the next ones are gonna be my new place. So I am so excited. Thank you for hanging in there with me while we're going through this debacle of a transition. But you guys, let's just go ahead, let's get into the dividend paychecks because that's why you're here. And let me tell you, it was a juicy ass month. I'm excited about this month. It's the most I've ever gotten, okay? My biggest payday. So let's get into it. Real quick disclaimer, guys, this last video I did about the paychecks, I included JPM in that month because I was supposed to get paid at the end of February, but JPM was slacking and she didn't show up until this month, so I am going to take it out of my overall for last month and put it on this month just so y'all know I'm being transparent and honest. But hot out the gates, we had AT&T coming in at $11.96 for 23 shares. Then CVS joined the party at $2.50 for 5 shares. Then, late to the party, JPM went ahead and paid me $3.60 for 4 shares. And I know right here on JPM it said pay on 131, but it didn't, it's lying. It really did not come through, okay? So don't come at me like that. Then we had Verizon come in on 5 shares for $3.14. One of my favorites, Lowe's, coming in for 1 share of 60 cents. I wanna buy more shares of this, but Lowe's is expensive and your girl's on a budget right now, so I don't know. There's just too many good options. Lowe's, I'm coming for you though. Just hold on a second. Then we had American Express pay me $2.58 for 6 shares. And then Apple's been getting slapped. I mean, what is going on there? Anyway, Apple came through for $2.05 for 10 shares. Then the big behemoth payer of them all, ONEOK, oh my God, what is it? Oh. It's ONEOK, screw it, okay? ONEOK came through for $18.70 for 20 shares. AbbVie came in after that about mid-month for $3.90 for 3 shares. Then we had my favorite REIT, Realty, come in at $1.41 for 6 shares. Stag, my second favorite REIT, came in after that for $1.21 for 10 shares. Then we had Prospect Capital, the free one that I still have because I get 6 cents every month. So 6 cents for 1 share. And then we had Home Street Inc. shoot me a quarter for 1 share. You guys, this company I love, okay? They're paying 25 cents per share every single month. Get you some of that, okay? But also, don't do what I say just because I say it. Do your own due diligence. You already know. You guys are smart, okay? We're just doing this together, okay? I'm no damn professional. That's it, okay? Let's move on. But I did do a video about them, so if you're into that and you want to know more about them, I will link it down in the first comment below and you can check it out after this video, so don't skip, okay? We need this watch time. The next free stock that I kept from my Robinhood transfer over to E-Trade that I can never ever pronounce came through for me. Orchid Island Capital, 7 cents for 1 share. And then to wrap up the month, okay, of February, and I'm a little late to the game, but Citigroup came through on 10 shares for $5.10. So you guys, that brings my total for the month of February in dividend paychecks to $57.03. You guys already know long-term dividend investing is my absolute favorite way to invest besides real estate, but we're not quite there yet, okay? Your girl's trying to save some coins so we can get into that, get that property. But that also kind of makes me curious, you guys. If you could answer me down below in the comments, would you be interested in knowing more about like real estate, since that is my job now? I'm the operations and client relations manager for a real estate team. So do you want to know about it? Like, do you want to know like a day in the life? Do you want just some inside information? I mean, the team leader, aka my boss, buys a property, an investment property, 1 a year minimum. And so that would be kind of cool to pick his brain. I can give out some information because let's be honest, if you're investing in the stock market, you most likely know about real estate investing or interested in real estate investing, you want to do it, or you want to stay far away from it. But me, I love it. I want to do it. It's who I am. It's part of the journey for me. money. And so if that interests you, can you please let me know so I can incorporate more into the channel? And that always reminds me as well, you guys, if you ever have questions about real estate, if you're trying to buy or sell, or you know someone who is, reach out to me. We have teams all over different states. We have business partners all over the country, so do not hesitate. And honestly, I love to help you all out, so there you go. And a step above that, if you were thinking about getting a real estate license, reach out to me, okay? My email is down in the description box below. Let me help you. Let's chat it out, pick each other's brains, okay? I just want us to grow together, okay, on this channel. I talk about it all the time. I want us to go on this journey of life to build wealth and invest for things bigger than ourselves at the end of our lives. So, and y'all, I always forget to mention this, but I am an affiliate with Webull, which, I own so many, I use so many damn platforms now. It's craziness. But if you want to get 2 free stocks with Webull after you deposit $100, the link is down in the description box below. And you guys, look at how cute this room is. Look, I put you can't even see. Here, how about I do this instead? Hold on. There we go. So you guys, we are in space, okay? I put a rug in here because I thought it was cute. I don't know, maybe it's not cute, but it's raining, otherwise this would be open, but it's gross outside. Look at the vision board, okay? Oh my, look at this. Look at my future cars, my brand, my future home. I'm trying to get that, play button there. So if y'all want to hit that subscribe button, help your girl out, that'd be greatly appreciated. The channel is there for you, see? Just subscribe to that. And if you guys made it this far in the video, could you please smash the thumbs up button? You already know what it does for the channel, what it does to my self-esteem. No, I shouldn't say that. That's weird. I'm just very happy when I see that a video gets a lot of likes. It makes it feel like I did a good job and you guys enjoy my content. Also, you guys, let me know down below what you got paid this month. You already know if you made it this far, you are the real MVP. Come here, you know I love you. And like always, you guys, enjoy the journey, whatever your journey is. Always remember to do what sets your hearts on fire. And I will see y'all at the new crib in my next video. Bye, guys.